Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create social networking app. With the social wall feature, you can create an app that will work in form of a social network where users can come together to interact with one another, post, like, and comment. So we're going to be using social wall feature to accomplish that. So let's get started. Here is the social wall feature. I'm going to click on it and add it to my app. It's been added. Okay, it has been added. Here in the settings, it says admin email. This is where you get all the reports. Let's say users report each other, each other posts. Here is the email where you get all the responses. So I'm going to select this one. So near me videos is if users, if you want to show content on your app, you can show it based on how close users are to each other. So design is how you want the design to be. Definitely I'm going to select card. Post message preview is the number of character that you want before the post converts itself to preview if an image is there. So I'm sure you don't want a very long post that will be irritating, so I'm going to select 52 character. Post sharing option, I'm going to allow it inside the contextual menu or below the post body. I'm going to put it in both inside the contextual menu and below the post body. Enable post moderation. If you click on this one, that means every post that is being made on this social wall, you have to moderate them. So I would not click on it. You can disable some icons here. Nearby, if you want users to nearby each other, you want them to interact or to see each other, you can leave this feature unchecked, but I do not want. Enable map, no, I don't want. Enable gallery, yes. Enable user likes, yes, users should be able to like each other's post. Enable users post, yes, users should be able to post. Enable users comment, yes, users should be able to comment. Position after text, that means how do you want the picture? Do you want it to be posted before text or after text? I want after text, just like the way Facebook is. You're going to see it now when I try to post, and then you can add images as more as you want. So I'm going to click on save here, and then this is going to refresh, or I can click on refresh or see changes here. So I'm going to go to design. Here is where you design, where you add background, but since I want my white background, I'm not going to touch anything here. Awaiting approval. Here is all the reported posts that all the posts that is made. If you check enable post moderation, then that means every post that is made on this social wall, every post that is made will have to be moderated by you. You have to moderate every single one of them. Posts, let me add one, for example. No, not scheduled. My name. I'm going to add a picture of a car. Wow, so I'm going to click save. So you can see the post has been made. So let me click refresh. Wow, you can see. Can you see? So users can like, they can comment, and they can share. Users can also post, for example, in the app I'm a user as well. Here is my profile. Can you see? That's my profile. I can share the post or report it. I can check media. When you click on media, so all the images that has been uploaded will appear in the media. So here is my profile. I don't have any post yet. I can access blocked users. I can edit my profile here. But I'm going to go back, and then here I can post. So I'm going to write something like, hello, hi, I'm new here. I'm going to add a picture. And I'm going to post. You see, it is published. So that's the status of my post. So if I go to my timeline, so you see my post is just right at the top of this first post that I will make. I can like it, I can like this one as well, and I can comment accordingly. So that is how to use the social wall feature. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. That will be the end of this tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.